Welcome to another Tailgate tool haul. Yes, today was the first day of Harbor Freight's August parking lot sale, which runs from August 10th through the 16th. And this is early access for ITC members. And I wanted to share with you guys my tool haul that I got from Harbor Freight, as well as a couple other items that were not part of the sale. And then at the end will be another item from another store I could not pass up. All right, first up, might as well start it with a bang. That's going to be on the Quinn 61 piece master impact socket set. This was 35% off because all Quinn sockets, all Quinn everything is on sale, 35% off this week. So this is the master impact socket set, and the 1/2-inch drive. It has 28 of the impact regular sockets and then deep impact sockets, so 28 of them, 4 extension bars, 1 universal joint. So if you recall on a previous parking lot sale haul, I did pick up the 3/8 set, and that was on a really good deal at that time because it was on an instant savings price and was able to stack the deal on it. So I did need the 1/2-inch drive to go with a 1/2-inch impact wrench that I have. So I think now my Quinn sockets is now complete. If you recall, during the other previous Tailgate tool hauls, during the socket sale, I did pick up the master sets of the Quinn sets in the regular chrome ones, and the 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive ones, which those are also on sale this week, so it would be a good time to get them at 35% off. All right, next up is the Quinn 14-piece spark plug socket set. This is in the 3/8 drive of both the SAE and metric. They do come nicely organized in this foam padding, and it keeps everything organized as well as marked on the foam. It also includes some extensions that are locking extensions, which based on the reviews I heard are pretty nice. Here's the back of the package. You can certainly pause it to check out the specs of it, of all the different sizes that this set does include. I will likely be replacing some spark plugs soon on my vehicles, and I figured this would be a great set to go with and to do that task. Okay, next up is a Doyle 4.5-inch vise. If you happen to miss my video that I did of building a budget build of a workbench, I will put a link up above to that video. And I did want to add a vise to that bench, but one of the things I'm going to do with this one is I'll have it mounted on a piece of plywood. That way I'll just clamp it to the table when I need it. That way I'll be able to easily remove the vise and then have the whole surface of a workbench for larger projects. So here's the details of it. It weighs 39 pounds, it has 7,700 pounds of clamping force, and obviously being a Doyle product, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. So I thought this was a good deal. It is currently on a super coupon right now, where it's saving 33% on it. So it is a good deal on the vise because the best deal we've seen recently was 35% off on Doyle products. So I figured 33% was a good deal. All right, the next Quinn option is on the 6-inch digital caliper. It does come in a hard plastic case to store it in, and this also comes with the lifetime warranty on it. I did want a accurate caliper to have on hand, and here's all the specs about it on the back of the package. So again, you can pause the video and check it out. So this was also included under the Quinn deal of 35% off. Okay, I did load up on some Bremen clamps. So these in particular, I went with 2 of the 24-inch parallel clamps. So they offer up to 1,300 pounds of clamping force, and these are pretty comparable to more expensive brands out there. And they do have a couple legs that you can rest your work pieces on. They do feel like a good quality clamp, especially for the price, and then saving 40% on it. And they do have the lifetime guarantee. If anything goes wrong with it, you just switch it out at the store. So obviously you can't beat that. And the next Bremen clamps I went with are 2 of the 24-inch ones, the trigger grip clamps, and they offer up to 375 pounds of clamping force. So I got 2 of the 24-inch ones. These are usually out of stock during the 30% off sales. So save 40% on them. Excellent deal. Good time to pick up clamps if you need clamps. The one thing that's been known to be true is that you can't have too many clamps. And I did pick up 1 12-inch Bremen clamp. I had one before, so this will be, now I have a set of the 12-inch ones, because this is something that's normally out of stock, and they only had actually 1 of these left by the time I got to the store shortly after 8 a.m. So they were going quick. So again, the 375 pounds of clamping force, I've used these on multiple projects already, and they are a pretty good quality clamp for the money. You can't really beat it. They're pretty comparable to my DeWalt ones that I have, and there's the details on the back part of the sheet. So if you don't have any Bremen clamps, they're definitely worth picking up at 40% off. Even at the retail price, they're worth it. Okay, shout out to Arthur for turning me on to the wood screw clamps. I did pick up 2 of them just because of the versatility that they do offer of being able to put it flat on the surface and then clamping down, say, on a piece of plywood or wood, or you can even use it for a drill press, which I don't have one, but you can still use it to hold things in place to keep it stable while you're drilling into something. So very good versatility that I never thought of before until Arthur, friend of the channel, recommended them for the different uses that they have with them. So, and they're nice and cheap. These were only 10 bucks each. So picked them up for 6 bucks each. Then I did go with a few other Quinn items. I did pick up the 14-in-1 painter's tool. So it has all the different kinds of tools with it. And this was on the instant savings of 3 bucks. So save 35% on it. So got it for like $2.60 or something like that. And this does have a couple screwdriver bits on the handle with the end that you can insert a 1/4-inch bit in there and use it as a screwdriver. So really can't beat the price on these, because at other places they're definitely more expensive, and it feels like a good quality. The next Quinn item on the 11-inch shop shears. I have heard from many of you guys that these are pretty good quality shears, and again, comes with a lifetime warranty on them. They do feel like a good quality while you're trying it out in the package. They are titanium coated, has adjustable pivot. They say it's ideal for heavy fabric, cardboard, leather, and plastic. And then here's the details of the scissors. You can check it out. And I went ahead and picked up another set of the job site offset scissors. So these are ideal for landscaping, flooring, roofing, and siding. One thing that's cool about it is it does have markings etched in the scissor. I don't know if it pulls it up on the camera. So, you know, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. So if you need to do any measurement while you're cutting, that'd be definitely handy to have that feature. And again, they feel like a good quality. Not bad, saving 35% on them, which again is better than saving 30% during a 30% off weekend. All right, next up is a shop brush. So again, as I mentioned, I built a new workbench, so I needed a brush to be able to sweep it off. This will be certainly handy to have. And this was a good deal during the parking lot sale. It was like just a couple bucks. So very nice. And this was also recommended by some friends of the channel, which it does come pre-dusted with its lint. So I'll work that out quickly. All right, next up, I know I've asked for you guys' opinion on the torque wrenches. So I decided to go with the Icon professional split beam torque wrench in the 1/2-inch drive. It does cover from 40 to 250 foot-pounds of torque, and this obviously does come with a lifetime guarantee, and it has the 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. So this will be able to cover most of the tasks that I plan on doing. The reliability of split beam torque wrenches, the reason why I went with this one, and the positive reviews and feedback from others as well, giving your suggestions when I asked for your opinions on torque wrench. And thank you for everyone who did suggest torque wrenches. And the next Quinn option, I did go for the 1/2-inch drive of the digital torque adapter. This was also included under the deal of 35% off. So you could use it with any 1/2-inch drive hand tool, including like breaker bars or ratchets. And this covers a range of 25 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. This will be nice and handy to have a compact one like this for different applications, and even testing out different power tools with it. So here's the back of the package with all the specs. You can certainly pause it and check it out. So pretty good deal, saving 35%. Here's the next one and the last one. This is the Icon Professional Flex Head Digital Angle Torque Wrench. This was highly rated for your guys' recommendations to go with because of all of its features that it has, as well as the torque range that goes from 5 to 100 foot-pounds of torque in the 3/8 drive, and it's still somewhat of a compact torque wrench to be able to get into tighter spots and spaces, and obviously also having the flex head part of it as well. This is a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism on it, and obviously it does come with the lifetime guarantee on that as well. It does also have 6 measurement modes, so this will be great to have on hand, and as I get more involved into some different car modifications on my vehicles. So again, thank you for everyone who recommended the different torque wrenches to me. I was planning on just getting one, but obviously decided to go with 2 just to cover all the bases. And I figure it's better to buy once and cry once. So that's what I'm doing right now, only because I didn't want it to end up having 5 different torque wrenches to do a few different things and end up spending more money, is what it would end up being if I had to go with multiple other ones to cover the bases. All right, so this is the tool haul from Harbor Freight. Now for the very last item that I recently had from Home Depot. And I know some of you might have guessed I was going to pick this up during my Home Depot video. This is the Crescent Site Runner folding job site cart. So it does fold up nice and compact, make it easy transportation in a truck or van or vehicle. This is what it looks like on the label right here. So it does fold up to this configuration, and you can still easily wheel it around in that configuration. And this is what it folds out to. Obviously, it's rated at 100 pounds per shelf, so 300 pounds total. The clearance price was 150 bucks on it. Normal retail price was $2.99, so it was an awesome deal on it. It's obviously not worth the $300 in my opinion, but I have heard from some of you guys that use this at work and do recommend it. It is a solid cart. Some of the features that it has is some tool holders here on the side. So it's got these loops, so you can hook different tools to it. Like if you have your drill with a clip on it, you can hang your drills and impacts and other tools on these. And it does have nice 5-inch casters, which 2 on the one side lock in place, and the 2 are just non-locking casters. So again, it's a great cart. It is pretty durable feeling. Of course, a little bit more difficult going on pavers, but it's pretty solid and sturdy. And if you're able to pick one up at your Home Depot while it's on clearance at 150, I think that's a great deal. And I did hear from some of you guys also commenting on a video that you guys were able to go to your Home Depot and pick one up as you've been watching for a good deal on it. So this would be the time since they are clearancing them out. So hopefully you're able to get one if you need one. All right, that's my Tailgate tool haul from Harbor Freight and the one item from Home Depot. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about it, if I did good or not. This might be my last Tailgate tool haul for quite some time. I think I'm pretty well set now. Of course, that's tongue-in-cheek right now. So, all right, if you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos and tool haul videos if I happen to do one again in the future. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.